Hi crochet lovers and welcome back to Miguel's Crochet. Alright guys, so for today's video I'll show you guys how to do the second design, which some of you guys seem to really also love this design. So this will be a tutorial for this design. And yeah guys, so let's start with the tutorial. Alright guys, so to make this bracelet you will of course need some cotton thread. I recommend using any cotton thread you have. You will also need a crochet hook, a size 1.75mm for this bracelet. And you will need of course some scissors. So yeah guys, those are the materials and let's start with the video. Alright guys, so to start with the tutorial, let's first start with the slip knots, and this is how I do my slip knot. There we go. And now we will do 27 chains. So let's do the first chain, show you guys how I do it, and chain 1. Hope you guys can see it. So now let's make 26 more chains. So we have now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So as you guys can see right here, I made a total of 27 chains, so count yours. Alright guys, and now let's start with the pattern. Now you will go into the second chain. As you guys can see, this is the first chain and we will go into the second chain, and in the second chain we will do 2 single crochets. So insert your hook, yarn over, you have now 2 loops, and pull it through both loops. That's how we made our first single crochet, and you will do one more, yarn over again and pull it through all 2 loops. There we go guys, you made 2 single crochet, and now you will do chain 2 and repeat the same pattern. So let's do 2 single crochet into the second chain. So there we go, 1 single crochet there, let's do one more into the same chain. Alright guys, so moving on, you will do the same stitch again. So chain 2 and do 1 single crochet into the second chain, and 1 single crochet more into the second chain. Alright guys, so as you guys see right here, we have a total of 3 half circle, and you will have to do in total 16 half circles. I will call them half circles. So we have now 3, so we will need to make 13 more. So I will continue do that, and I'll see you guys when you guys have a total of 16 half circles. As you guys can see right here, we have now 3. Alright, so as you guys can see, I made a total of 16 kind of like half circles. So as you guys can see, I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I made a total of 16 half circle, as you guys can see right here. And now once you reach that point, the last part is you will do chain 26. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And now to end, just leave a little tail like this and fasten off. Alright you guys, as you guys can see, we just finished the bracelet. And remember, if you wanted to add a charm, when you reach when you made your 8 half circle, you will insert your charm here and then continue with the other parts. So to finish off, now the next part is just kind of making a knot like this, just a knot, and then stretch it a little bit like that. And here you can also make a little knot just like this. Okay. Alright guys, so once you finish making your 2 knots, just leave a little tail and cut the rest. There we go. Alright guys, so there we have it. You just made your bracelet. It's super cute. I heard some people like to make these to give them to their customer as the extra goodies, so these will make great gifts. And yeah guys, so remember you can also add, you know, little beads to make them more fancy, like I mentioned in my first tutorial. And there we have it, you guys. You just made your next bracelet, which with this design, which is also really cool. I really like this design also. Alright guys, so that concludes today's tutorial. If you guys remake this bracelet, please tag me on Instagram or TikTok. I would love to see it. And yeah guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon guys. Bye.